What is going on, guys? Welcome back to 11 Trading's beginner series. In this video, this is going to be a short video about economical news and how we can factor this into our trading plan to protect ourselves and manage our risk and not be in any trades while big market manipulating news is due to release. So I'm going to show you a way of how we keep track of the news. So there's a website called forexfactory.com. Now, when you open Forex Factory, it will show you all the different currencies and the different colored news folders. We can filter it out to the currencies that we want. So I'm just going to do EU, GBP, JPY, and USD. And I'm going to get rid of orange, yellow, and white folders and apply, because we only really need to take into account the red folder. Red has a higher impact than silver and yellow, so we only need to take note about what the red folders are going to be doing, the date and the time and the currency is going to affect. Like I said in the previous videos, these videos in the beginners series are going to be simplified for the new people in our Discord. So that is all you really need to know. You need to wake up in the morning. I check this every single morning before I take any trades. I'll wake up, I'll jump on forexfactory.com and I will see if there is any red folder news and what time it will be at and what currency it will be for. So this is August 2nd, 2024. At 1:30 we have 3 red folder news for USD. So I know if I was in any trades throughout London session during the morning of August 2nd, I would have wanted to be out before 1:30 p.m. So I'm just going to give you a little example now on what would have happened if we was looking to trade or in a trade when the news was released. So this is gold. This is the 2nd of August, Friday the 2nd of August. As you can see, for the last however long, we have been in a bullish market. We've been printing higher highs and higher lows. So if you was to follow structure, we would be looking to take buys right now. So let's just say we were looking to take buys and we was not factoring in the news for 1:30 for the USD. So I'm just going to give you a little example on what would have happened if we was in a trade or looking to trade. So as you can see, the market is looking very bullish. We are creating higher highs and higher lows. Now we've just broken structure to the upside again, confirming our bullish trend. Now what we could expect to see would be a retracement creating a higher low and then continue off with the trend creating higher highs. So we could anticipate something like this to happen in the market. And I would have had my long box drawn out, say here. Stop loss just below the low. Let's just say, for argument's sake, it looked like this. Now I'm going to scroll through the candles to the 1:30 news release and show you what would have happened. This is why we don't trade news releases or be in trades when the news is about to drop. So let's click through. It would have tapped us in. Boom. Look at that. That is classic news manipulation. Now if we entered our trade here, price in one candle literally flew straight through us by about 3.1 times the amount we were willing to risk on our stop loss. So if you was unlucky, you could potentially get what is called slipped, whereas it means if price flies through your stop loss too fast, the broker might not be able to register what has happened. Your stop loss might not activate and you could end up losing 2.5, 3 times more than what you was willing to risk. So this is why we stay away from red folder news. We are traders, we are not gamblers. We are not trying to predict the market, we are just executing of what the market is giving us. We always follow the trend, we stay away from news, and it is really that simple. So I hope that makes sense. Like I said, this was just a short video showing you how you can factor in the economical news around your trades, just to be a bit safer in the markets. So I hope that makes sense. Once again, any questions, fire them away in the Discord, and we will see you in the next video.